Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss about electric field due to system of charges or electric field due to group of charges. Electric field due to system of charges. System of charges is nothing but it is called as group of charges. So electric field due to group of charges. We know that electric field due to point charge E vector equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square into r cap. This is the equation of electric field due to point charge. That means electric field due to a single charge. Now we are going to derive the equation of electric field due to group of charges. That means system of charges. Let us consider a system. The system consists of n number of charges from q1 up to q1, qn, q1, q2, q3, etc. up to qn. q1, q2, etc. up to qn. So here in this system consists of three charges q1, q2, etc. up to qn. Now consider a point P from different distances in these three charges. That distances are R1P, R2P and RNP. R1P is nothing but distance of the point P from charge Q1. R2P is nothing but distance of the point P from charge Q2. RNP is nothing but it is the distance of the point P from charge Qn. So Q1, Q2, etc. Qn. This is the charges are present in this system, and R1P, R2P and RNP are the distances from point P. Now we are going to draw the direction of the electric field due to these three charges. We know that all the charges are produces electric field around it. Similarly, these three charges also produces electric field. Those electric fields are acts outward in direction because all these three charges are positive in nature. Qn, Q1, Q2, etc. Qn. All the charges are positive in nature, hence electric field acts in outward direction. Those electric fields are drawn like this. This is E1P. This is E2P. This one ENP. E1P is nothing but it is electric field at a point P due to charge Q1. E2P is nothing but electric field at point P due to charge Q2. ENP is nothing but electric field at a point P due to charge Qn. So here all the three electric fields are have different in magnitude. We can find out magnitude of the vector quantity by the help of length of the vector. Here electric field is a kind of vector quantity. Hence this length of the line segments are represents magnitude of the electric field. So நமக்கு தெரியும் ஒரு வெக்டர் குவாண்டிட்டியோட மேக்னிட்யூட அந்த வெக்டரோட லென்த்தை வச்சு நம்ம டிட்டர்மைன் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இப்போ இந்த த்ரீ எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் வெக்டார்ஸில் ENP வெக்டரோட லென்த் வந்து லார்ஜர் லென்த்தா இருக்கு. E1P அதை விட கொஞ்சம் ஸ்மாலரா இருக்கு. E2P இந்த ரெண்டுத்தை விட ரொம்ப ஸ்மாலரா இருக்கு. ஏன் இந்த த்ரீ டிஃபரன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா, we know that equation of electric field E is inversely proportional to R square. That means electric field is inversely proportional to distance. So when distance decreases, electric field increases. So when distance decrease ஆச்சுன்னா electric field increase ஆகும். Distance increase ஆச்சுன்னா electric field automatically decrease ஆயிடும். So இப்போ இந்த three chargesல Qn ஓட distance from point P is very very smaller. Hence Q1 has larger in electric field. அதனால தான் Qn ஆல கிரியேட் ஆகக்கூடிய electric field நம்ம larger electric field போட்டிருக்கோம். So Q2 அதோட ரொம்ப ஸ்மாலரா இருக்கிறதுனால அதோட electric field very smaller in nature. So diagram புரியுதுங்களா? So here this system consists of n number of charges Q1, Q2 etc. up to Qn. R1P, R2P and Rnp are the distances of the charges from point P. E1P, E2P and ENP are the electric fields due to these three charges. And this line represents E total. E total means total electric field of this system. Total electric field of this system due to these charges. நம்ம இந்த கண்டென்ட் தான் இப்போ derive பண்ண போறோம். Total electric field due to system of charges. So for that, first find out electric field due to charge Q1. Electric field due to charge Q1. It can be written as E1P equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R1P square into R cap. R1P square into R cap. Because we know that equation of electric field E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into R cap. This is the general equation. So electric field due to first charge, that is Q1 taken as E1P equal to constant 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, here charge Q1, so Q1 divided by R square is the distance, here distance of the first charge Q1 from the point P is R1P. So that can be written as R1P square into R cap. Similarly, electric field due to charge Q2 E2P equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2P square into R cap. So here charge Q2, distance R square R2P, so R2P square. Therefore ENP vector equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qn divided by Rnp square into Rn cap. So by nth charge எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா Qn, distance Rnp, so Rnp square into Rn cap. So these are the electric field of these charges. So now we are going to find out total electric field due to this system of charges. That can be find out or determined by the help of this formula. E total equal to E1P vector plus E2P vector plus etc. ENP vector. E1P vector plus E2P vector etc. ENP vector. Here we know that the values of E1P, E2P and ENP. So in the three values we add பண்ணோம்னா total electric field ஓட value கிடைச்சிரும். Therefore E total equal to value of E1P 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1P square into R1P cap plus value of E2P 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2P square into R2P cap plus etc. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qn divided by Rnp square into Rnp cap. So, அப்போ இந்த individual A1P, E2P and E3P values add பண்ணிருக்கோம். இதுல காமனா நம்ம வெளிய எடுக்க போறது 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So remaining terms Q1 by R1P square plus R1P cap plus Q2 R2P square into R2P cap plus etc. Qn divided by Rnp square into Rnp cap. So this is the equation of total electric field due to system of charges. This equation is also can be written as E total equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation I equal to 1 to n Qi by Rip square into Rip cap. This also the equation of total electric field due to system of charges. Thank you.